Every journey has a story, and today's begins the moment the wheels start turning. Service offered without expectation polishes ego smoother than any ritual. One quiet kindness daily is a complete practice. At night, ride at a pace where you can always stop within the distance your headlight reveals. Smooth decisions often look boring, and boring is usually safer. Begum Bazaar remains the wholesale heart where 3 districts shopkeepers come shopping. Throttle cables lubed twice a year keep wrist action crisp and light. Watch how Hyderabad's city streets blend old habits with new ambitions. Stay curious, stay visible, and enjoy every kilometer in between.